Good morning, children. How you all, Amma? Hope you all fine. Okay. In the previous class, we started division chapter and we completed recall exercise and the properties of division. Now I am going to start exercise 4.1. First one. Solve using the properties of division. First one, 896 divided by 1. If a number is divided by 1, what you will get? You will get the same number. Next one, 4320 divided by 4300. If a number is divided by itself, what you will get, Amma? 1. 0 divides a number, what you will get? 0. If a number 496 divided by 496, what you will get? You will get 1. 496 divided by 1 equal to 496 is divided by 1, so you will get the same number. If 496 0 divides 496, by that time it's not possible, so we call it as not defined. You can say it's not defined. Okay. See the next one, children. Second one. Is 24 divided by 4 equal to 4 divided by 24? Is it possible or not? They are asking. Once I check. 24 divided by 4, 4 ones, 4 sixes, answer is 6 equal to. Here 4 by 24, 4 ones, 4 sixes, 1 by 6. Is 1 equal to 1 by 6? No. So, answer is no. See the third interval. If 7 into 38 equal to 266. Come on, 266 divided by 7. 266 divided by 7 equal to how much? And 266 divided by 38 equal to how much? Children, basing on the division rules, basing on the division facts, it is easy to say if we divide 266 with the 7, you will get 38. And if 266 is divided by 38 means you will get 7. Basing on the division facts, you can say it easily. Okay. See the next one, Amma. Fourth one. Write 2 division facts for fourth one. Write Write 2 division facts for 2 division facts for 4 19s 76. They are asking us to write the division facts for this number 4 19s 76. So what are the division facts for these numbers? First, 76 divided by 4 equal to 19. And the next division factor, 76 divided by 19 equal to 4. Next, write 2 division facts for 76 into 226 equal to 17,176. Here 17,176 divided by 76 equal to 226. Next 17,176 divided by 226 equal to 76. Okay. Like that you can write the division facts of the number given. If they give the multiplication, you have to write the division facts. Now the division exercise 4.2. It's about the single number division. The divisor is the single digit. Exercise 4.2. Okay, see that 7 divides 2 blank, 4 blank, blank, 3 blank, 2, 1, 2 after blank, 2, 1, blank, 7, 3, blank, 2. This is the question they given for us. See that in 7 table, which comes nearer to that number, you have to choose. Okay, here 7 table, here 21 they given us, 7 3 is 21. Yes, so 3 times if you write means you have to get that number minus that given number minus 21, you have to get it 2. That means you have to add 21 plus 2. What is 21 plus 2? 23. If it is 23, 3 is 71, remainder 2. It's satisfied. Now drop down 4, 24. So 7 3 is 21, remainder 3, 37. In 7 table 37, 7 5 is 35, remainder 2. Now it's satisfied. Okay, see the second one, Amma. 4 divides 4. Okay, they didn't give any type of number for us and they are asking us to write. Here 4 table 16, remainder is 0. So 4 4 16, 4 4 16, 16 minus 16 0. Here again the next number is 0, they drop down to 0 only. Okay, see, zeros, 4 zeros 0, remainder is 0. Next 4 twos they given. What is 4 twos? 8. But here remainder is 1. So 8 plus 1 9. 4 twos 8. Remainder 1. Now it's satisfied. Okay. See the third one, ma. 5 divides 6 3 5 9 blank 2 blank 9 5 1 3 5 blank 9. See that number in 5 table, which when how many times it comes? 5, 5 ones 5, remainder 1, drop down 3, 30, 5 twos 10, remainder 3, 35. Now in 5 table 35, 5 sevens 35, remainder 0. Now drop down the third number. Okay, 9, fourth number 9. In 5 table 9, 5 ones 5, remainder 4. Okay, now it's satisfied. So now it is correct. Next one, direct divisions only they give. This is the A Roman. Now B Roman I am saying you. B Roman divide 4032 divided by 3. 3 divides 4032. 3 ones are 3, remainder 1. Now drop down 0. Now it is 10. Yes or not? 3 table 10. 3 threes 9. Remainder 1. Now drop down 3. 13 in 3 table. 13 in 3 table. 3 table 13. 3 fours 12. Remainder 1 now drop down to 12 it is. 3 table 12. 3 fours 12. Remainder 0. Okay, see the next one. Second one. 3945 divided by 5. 3 divides 5 divides 3945. In 5 table 3 is a smaller number, so you have to take 2 numbers at a time. 39, 5 sevens 35, remainder 4. Now drop down for 44. 5 table 44, 5 eights 40, remainder 4. Now drop down 5. 5 nines 45, remainder 3. Okay, see the next one, Amma. All are same model only. I will explain you 5 sums in this. Remaining you practice it in your home. Okay. Five nine three two divided by 7. 7 divides 5 9 3 2. In 5 table which comes nearer to 59. In 7 table which comes nearer to 50. 5 7 8 is 56. Remainder 3. Now drop down 3. 33 which comes nearer to 33. 7 4s 28. 7 5s 35. So 7 4s only possible. 28. Remainder 5. Now drop down to 52. In 7 table when it comes nearer to 52. 7 table 7 6 are 42. 7 7s 49. Remainder 3. See the next one. 6 divides 5601. In 6 table which comes nearer to 5601. 6 table 6 nines 54. Remainder 2. Now drop down 0. 6 threes 18. Remainder 2. Now drop down 121. In 6 table which comes nearer to 21. 6 threes 18. Remainder 3. Okay, see the next one, Amma. Nine divides 7901. In 9 table which comes nearer to 7979, which comes nearer to 79. 9 is 72. Remainder 7. Drop down 0. 70 it is. It is 70. Drop down 0. 70. 9 table which comes nearer to 70. 9 sevens 63. Remainder 7. Now drop down 171. Which comes nearer to 71 in 9 table. 9 sevens 63. 9 8 72. So 9 sevens 63 only possible. So 8 left. 8 is the remainder. 6 divides. See 6 table which comes nearer to 57. 6 nines 54. Remainder 3. Now drop down 131. Which comes nearer to 31 in 6 table. 6 5s 30. Remainder 1. Now drop down 2. In 6 table which comes nearer to 12. 6 2s 12. So remainder is 0. Next one. 8 table 4 8 1 7. 4 table which comes 8 table which comes nearer to 48. 8 6 are 48. Remainder 0. Now drop down 1. 1 is smaller than 8. So 8 zeros 0. 8 zeros 0. Now remainder 1, drop down 7, 17, 8 2s 16. Remainder 17 minus 16, 1. Like that you have to do. Okay children, in the next class I will explain you the 2-digit divisions. Okay, till then goodbye.